Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Moto Buds 270. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone or another device. You can use gestures on your earbuds. Right here at the back side of each earbud we have Motorola logo. This one is touch area. And with it you can play or pause the song or the movie, you can play next or previous track or video. You can also answer the call, reject the call, hold the call. You can call voice assistant with it. You can switch between ambient sound control, so between ANC, transparency and normal mode. And the next trick that these earbuds have ANC, what mean Active Noise Cancellation, and it's a good one. I use this mode all the time on my headphones, and I think you will like it also. Now, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds from your ears. You can just enable transparency mode. You need to press 2 times at your left earbud. You will see prompt ANC on, then you press 2 times again, you will hear prompt ambient sound, and ambient sound, this is the same as transparency mode, so and you can speak with these people. Next, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset, and with a factory reset we can fix a lot of trouble with the earbuds. So, firstly, you need to press and hold both of touch areas until you will see the red LED light, meaning that you turn off your headphones, and then you press and hold at the both of them simultaneously again for at least 10 seconds, and you will perform a factory reset. Then you need to only reconnect your earbuds with your phone. If you still don't know how to do this, you can find a video at this channel, how to perform a factory reset for the Motorola Moto Buds 270, and watch this video. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider... Oh, I'm so sorry, I forget the last top trick for this earbud. It's only for Android devices, because this earbud supports high resolution audio codec, what called LHDC. It doesn't support LTAC, but LHDC is a good one also. But what the most important is that your phone should support this codec also. Because I have Pixel 8 right now, but this phone doesn't support LHDC. And also you cannot use LHDC codec on your Apple device, because for Apple devices AC is your maximum. They doesn't support high resolution audio codecs like LDAC or IPTX or LHDC or LC3. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!